Hello students, this is your English teacher Mrs. Saimavati from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Students, today we will do with a poem The Rebel from the book Honeycomb. First, let's know about the poet. D.J. Enright is the poet of the poem The Rebel. Dennis Joseph D.J. Enright, he was born in the year 1920 and he died in the year 2002, was a British academic poet, novelist and critic. He authored various books and a range of essays, reviews and especially children's books and poems. So first, let's know the meaning of the word rebel. A rebel is a person who always disagrees with others or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks. So here, the poet wants to tell the nature of a rebel who does just opposite of what others do. The poet tells that it is dangerous, but at the same time it is good because it is rebel who comes with new ideas. Students, now we will come to know what do you mean by rebel. So rebel means a person who always disagrees with you or your friends. He likes or do the opposite of what others do or what others think. So in this poem, the poet wants to describe the qualities of rebel. What is rebel's nature, how rebel goes against others, how he exhibits himself as different, how his preference differs from others, how he usually stays alone, and how he never agrees with anyone. So all these things are discussed in the poem, and by the end of the poem the poet wants to tell whether it is good to be a rebel or not. So let's begin with the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So here the poet wants to tell us that when everybody has short hair, at that time rebel likes to grow his hair long, and when everybody has long hair, the rebel wants to cut his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So here the poet wants to tell that when students are discussing or when anybody is discussing with anyone related to any topic, at that time the rebel will never speak. The rebel will not say a word. But when nobody talks and they keep quiet during the lesson, at that time the rebel would try to ask or the rebel would try to speak. So this shows how rebel goes against others. Next, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So here the poet wants to say that when everybody wears uniform, at that time the rebel will dress in fantastic clothes. Fantastic clothes means it can be very funky or casual dress. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. But when everybody is wearing fantastic clothes, at that time rebel would like to dress himself in a very simple way, or he would like to wear uniform. So this shows that rebel exhibits himself as different from others. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So when everybody would like to have a dog as pet animals, at that time the rebel expresses to prefer cats. And when everyone likes to have cat as pet animals, at that time rebel will say that it is good to have a dog. So he will try to say good words for dog. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So when everybody is happy with the warmth of the sun, at that time rebel will say that he wants rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, means when everybody is ready to welcome the rain, at that time rebel will regret the absence of the sun. Means rebel would like to enjoy the warmth of the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Here, meeting means it can be social gathering, like when you join any parties or you go for any function, attend any function, or there is a family get together. So, or you want to meet your friends. So, any kind of meeting. When everybody goes to meeting, at that time rebel will stay at home and read books. But when everybody stays at home and reads book, at that time rebel would go and rebel would like to join his friends or meet his friends. When everybody says yes please, rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So here the author wants to say that when everybody says yes, rebel says no. And when everybody says no, at that time rebel will say yes. So here the poet says that it is good to have rebels. Okay. So it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So here poet says that it is good to have rebels because they teach us to accept and tolerate the differences. But on the other hand, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society and they are criticized by others. So this is all about the poem The Rebel. Thank you.